Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can hide your IP address from trackers. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your settings application. Inside settings, scroll all the way to the bottom, then tap on apps. Now inside here, search for Safari and then tap onto it. So once you're inside here, scroll all the way to the bottom again, and here you will then be able to find an option that says hide IP address. Select it. Here you will then be able to find two options. You can simply turn it off or select from trackers to hide your IP address from trackers. And that is simply how you can hide your IP address from trackers. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.